Assalamu alaikum and a very good day to the people watching the video. I am today standing in the YiNERGY factory with the very famous Victor. Thank you, Victor. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Welcome to YiNERGY.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You might have seen Victor in the exhibitions in Pakistan. Victor is working in the Pakistan for many years and has a lot of experience in the Pakistan market. You know, I am right now at the production line. Lu Yuan is waiting for us in the production area. Let's go and have a look what they're doing.
Yes, yes.
Hello, Lu Yuan.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good. Very nice. How is the production process? Can you please tell us?
Okay, this is for our inverter. The first line is a pre-AC label and upgrade current machine or
Okay.
single ground contains. Single ground FCT is okay.
Okay.
And second, we already use a housing machine to make this and up cover installation. Also have this. And third, we need to 81 test all the inverter
Okay.
to test his busy function about such as PV or grid or load also have.
Okay. And after that,
Then
there comes the aging.
Aging, yes.
Okay.
Maybe off inverter, off grid inverter, maybe 2 hours or 4 hours.
Oh.
Hybrid 5 hours.
Okay. And what is the 82
82 is the last test.
dust test?
Yes, we should input aging room and to test again the busy function.
Okay.
About, such as PV 9000 or set and to load.
Okay. And maybe the last step is for the packaging.
Yes, to back end.
Okay. Maybe we can have a quick look at the production line and see what happens inside an inverter manufacturing unit. Let's go.
Let's go.
So here we are at.
Production line.
Okay. So this is the outer shell of the inverter
Yes.
where you place
Hybrid inverter.
the boards inside.
Yes. The board inside and we can back up.
Okay. Maybe the boards are inside, and you know they are connected through these screwdrivers, and automatically, you know, they in the assembly line they flow through here from
Yes.
right till the end. So
Yes.
this is the process where we install the board of the inverter.
Yes.
And what's the next step we do?
Next step, we should finish this test. We will to test the board in here.
Okay. From here, this was the first step. You have a shell, outer shell, install the board, connect the screws with the screwdrivers, and you know, when the assembly line moves, it moves all the way here and goes up to there, where they test the inverters for their efficiency and accuracy.
This is the next step. We should to stand here and to test the SN code.
Okay, the
And-
serial number.
Yes, SN code, and if you use this, and if this is okay, we will successful to HA room.
Okay. So
Good test.
it means from the production line,
Yeah,
when the inverters come here.
Yes, we should make sure all the SN is in the board in here in this production
Oh.
line.
Okay, I get it. And what's the next step when you move forward?
This is testing the physics function, such as this PV 6000
Ah.
and load 6000.
Okay.
And
I
all
can
the
see.
function.
I can see most of the inverters are on
Yes.
like this. Maybe we can show it on the screen also. So
This no, it's off.
this is one is off.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any inverter which is on?
找一下有没有开机的机器。
Maybe we can check. So this is the place where all the inverters are tested for the PV, for the battery, for the grid side. All the operations are, you know, tested with these kind of machines.
没有是吧？都是关机的。
Because these machines are for the DC side, AC side, and also for the battery side. They also check the grid feeding feature, which is happening right here, right now at the moment. We're just checking for the inverter, which is, you know, being tested at the max. This is with battery or without battery?
Without battery now.
Without battery. Okay.
Yeah.
So, what kind of testing is done here?
His mean is no have battery. You should do set. Such as the no battery is okay.
Okay.
But his test maybe he will change the mode now. this is on. It means no problem. The machine is okay to work with to load. It's okay.
Okay, okay,
But this is to manual is without
okay.
manual.
So maybe operations are performed here.
So you should test open on, and some other business function.
Okay, 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 okay. So after the testing, where do the inverter go after the testing?
To the AG room, you can.
Aging room.
Yes.
Okay, maybe we can
罗总那个
have a look at the aging
老
room.
化
1, 2, 3. Also, this is one production, one of our production line.
Okay.
So now totally our production capacity daily IP21 is around about 1500, and for IP65 daily production capacity is around about 450.
Oh, so it means that the IP21 inverters, this factory can produce around 1500 units and 450 units for the
Per day.
IP65 inverters per day. This units and the other units they have. Maybe we can have a look at that also. But these are currently the aging rooms where inverters are tested for different weather conditions like heat, humidity, and the cold temperatures. So this is the area where inverters are tested before shipping and packaging. Maybe this is the second last step, and the final step is just for the packaging.
Yes.
So this was a limited tour of the production line. Maybe you've seen before, but this is the live demonstration how inverters are being made and packed and shipped to your favorite destinations.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sama.
Thank you.
Thank you.